Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to another Hunley Garage. Had another company reach out to me, a bunch of them actually, and this one is from Tesmen, and they asked if I would do a review on this, and I said, sure, of course. And so they sent me not one, but two. So what I'd like to do is somehow give this away. I guess watch the video and put in a comment on why you think you need it, and I'll somehow determine how to pick somebody, and we'll figure out how to get it shipped to you. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up, and we'll see what's inside. All right, open this up, and we've got a user manual, and we've got the actual device. It's been put inside this plastic, and it actually came with some Duracell batteries, which is kind of nice to see. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take these out of the plastic. I'm gonna read through this manual a little bit, get educated, and then I'll be right back. All right, so after reading this, basically some things I wanted to highlight. It's got a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. It's got an on and off button, which is right here, and a flashlight. So if you press in and hold this for more than 2 seconds, it turns the flashlight on and off. When you turn the device on, there's 2 modes. There's a high sensitivity and a low. And so high sensitivity is for like 12 to 1,000 volts, and low sensitivity is like 70 to 1,000. And we'll get it turned on, but it looks like it will kind of show you the voltage when you get close to something. So it's pretty nice. It's got a no ring on it, but probably can't do this with one hand, so I'll be right back. So got a battery in there. What I wanted to see is if the flashlight would turn on. Nope, gotta turn it on. So press in and hold, and then if you press in and hold this, there we go, got the flashlight. Press in and hold it, off, and then a short press is high and low. Got a beeping there, and so what would be interesting here is I don't know if it would show any voltage or not. Come over here to an outlet. So this is on high sensitivity, and as we come closer, so that's in high, and if we go to low, scared me for a second. So you actually, on the low sensitivity, you'd have to put it in there, but on high, kind of tells you here as you get closer to the outlet. So it tells you AC power. So kind of interesting. I'm gonna go into the electrical room and see what it does. So I am on, see if I can get it to focus there. I'm on high, and coming over here, so this is my electrical panels. Coming over here, see what it kind of does. So it'd tell you if it's live or not. So this one doesn't have anything to it. So it's this guy. So if I put this on low, wonder what it'd do. So I'm touching it right now. So it'd tell you if there's power to it if you touch it. And if you put it on high sensitivity, it'll tell you before you even get there. So that's pretty cool. It'll let you know like if stuff is hot or not, I guess. Let's see what it does to the breaker here. So I don't think, yeah, here's one that's off. Nope. Yeah, so there's no power here, power there. So that's pretty cool. So it definitely works. You know, if you're working on something and you want to see if there's something live, it definitely works. I want to see what it does with DC power. I don't know if it's supposed to or not. This says AC. I don't know if, we'll see what it does. So coming over here, just real quick. So that's on high. You could see, yeah, these things are hot. And then if you press this, you could actually yeah, so that's pretty cool. It'll let you know if something's hot or not. So this heater is plugged in and it's on. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, like I said, I'm gonna see if I can find some DC. So I've got my battery box over here and turned my fans on and plugged my phone in, and I'm drawing. I'm not drawing very much here, so it's 8-9 watts, but it's it doesn't. It says AC voltage detector, so can't say anything bad about it, but doesn't look like it does DC voltage at all. So no big deal because it wasn't supposed to. So yeah, that's the Tesmen TN-213 AC voltage detector. So works real good. It's kind of neat on the high sensitivity. You don't have to get very close to something to see if it's really putting the voltage out. So that's pretty nice. I kind of like that. You can come in here and you can see real quick, like, you know, if you've got some hot leads. I wonder, will it do that through? Oh yeah, look at that. So you can see if there's something hot through the wall. That's pretty cool. So we've got an outlet here, and so it's probably coming up. Maybe not. Huh. All right. So there's where it's showing the wiring. So what we're gonna do is run on the other side of the wall and check that out real quick. Oh yeah. So it's running over there, so we could see if all this stuff back here is hot or not. So that's pretty cool. So this is a sump pump cell phone line. So it's got some AC voltage on it. So it's pretty cool, really. It's pretty neat that you can see kind of through the wall, I guess. There's a whole bunch of crap back there, I thought. Yeah, so. So you could trace where this line's coming up here, and you know, if you wanted to see real quick like what's behind the wall. So at any rate, thank you, Tesmen. I think this is a pretty neat addition to the toolbox, and got a flashlight as well. See how bright this is. So it's not too bad at all. Makes a neat little flashlight. So, yeah. I mean, they reached out to me and asked me if I'd look at it, and I'm glad they did. It's pretty cool. Like I said, they sent me 2 of them. So, what I'd like is, like to give that away. It'd be awesome. So, write in the comments why you think you need one, and somehow we'll figure out who to give it to. So, at any rate, thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe. And this is going to be the one that we ship out here. I ship out to you, and keep it in the United States. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.